Hey, I'm with Steven Schumacher here, and we're just chatting on characteristics of great software developers. Steven, what's another great characteristic?
Another one that I think is really important, and it always kind of catches people off guard, is we like to work with kind software developers or kind consultants, right? Gone are the days of the I'm so important, leave me alone, don't ask me any questions. I'm going to be in a dark room banging out lines of code and solving some problem. That's not really what
Yeah.
works anymore, right? We like the people that you can go up and ask a question at any time, or they'll stop what they're doing, even if it's critical to help somebody that's maybe lost somewhere else. Like kind of keeping
Hmm.
that whole team moving instead of, hey, I got my stuff done,
Right,
and I'm
right,
going home because I
right,
finished my
right,
part early, and everyone else is
right.
floundering, and they're okay just letting them.
Right, right. Yeah, I think of some of the great, and this is more than just software developers. I mean, this is just leadership in general, right? Any successful person in business has kindness down. I mean, it's like, hey, they can recognize that something's maybe wrong with somebody and they'll check and say, hey, how are you doing? You know what? Let's just put everything on hold for just a minute because you are an important person and your personal life is a critical part of of our success. We care about you as an individual, not just milking the machine. We're a part of the same team. We care. We're part of the human race. Let's enjoy our life together. And I can see, there's something here. Is there a way I can be a part of helping? Can we do something that gives you time to work out this family issue or work out this health issue or whatever it might be? And that's just a better way to live. It's a better way to work for sure.
Mhm. Definitely.